It's attracted to you. Hey, gorgeous souls! Welcome to a journey where we transform our relationship with money. Let's talk about something we all want more of. Money. It's not just about having more cash, but about creating a life of abundance and freedom. Ever feel like you're chasing it, only to have it slip through your fingers? Girl, I've been there. It's frustrating and disheartening, but there's hope. But what if I told you that you can make money chase you? Sounds amazing, right? Imagine waking up every day knowing that financial success is within your grasp. It all starts with understanding the law of attraction. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can change your life. This powerful law states that like attracts like, your thoughts and feelings are magnets, drawing in experiences that match your energy. So if you want to attract more money, you need to radiate the energy of wealth, abundance, and prosperity. It's about shifting your mindset and embracing a new way of thinking. Ready to ditch the chase and become a money magnet? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore techniques and practices to align your energy with financial abundance. First things first, let's redefine what it means for money to chase you. It's not about running after every opportunity or working tirelessly without a break. It doesn't mean money will magically fall from the sky, though wouldn't that be nice? Instead, it's about creating an environment where money naturally flows to you. It's about shifting your mindset and energy to create a magnetic force that draws opportunities, abundance, and yes, even cold, hard cash, right into your life. This involves cultivating a positive attitude and being open to new possibilities. Think of yourself as a powerful magnet. Magnets don't chase, they attract. They pull things towards them effortlessly. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with wealth and abundance, you become irresistible to money. This means setting clear intentions and visualizing your financial goals. It's not about chasing, it's about attracting. It's about being in the right state of mind and creating the right conditions for success. Ready to become a money magnet? It starts with believing in your own power and potential. Let's unlock those money-making powers within you. Embrace the journey and watch as abundance flows into your life. The first step to attracting wealth is believing you deserve it. So many amazing women struggle with limiting beliefs around money. They think things like, I'm not good with money, or wealth is only for a lucky few. Girlfriend, please trash those thoughts. You are worthy of financial abundance. Repeat after me. I am deserving of wealth and prosperity. Money flows into my life with ease and joy. Believe it, feel it, and watch your energy shift. Remember, your thoughts become your reality. Start believing in your own worthiness and watch the magic happen. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires, including financial abundance. By focusing your mind on what you want, you can create a clear picture of your goals and dreams. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life. Picture every detail vividly, from the colors to the sounds and even the scents. What does it look like? How do you feel living that life? What kind of home do you live in? Is it a spacious mansion or a cozy cottage? What kind of car do you drive? Is it a sleek sports car or a comfortable SUV? What experiences are you creating? Are you traveling the world, dining at gourmet restaurants, or attending exclusive events? Now create a vision board filled with images that represent your financial goals. Include pictures, words, and quotes that inspire you. See yourself living that life of abundance every single day. Feel the joy and excitement as if it's already happening. Don't be afraid to dream big, gorgeous. Your dreams are valid and achievable. The more you visualize and feel the emotions of having what you desire, the faster you'll attract it into your life. Believe in your power to create the life you want. Section 5, Step 3, Take inspired action. Don't just dream, do! Attracting money isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about taking inspired action. The universe loves a go-getter. What are you passionate about? What skills and talents do you have that you can share with the world? Start that business, write that book, launch that online course. Trust your gut, take that leap of faith, and watch the opportunities unfold. Remember, action breeds momentum. So get out there and make things happen. Section 6, Step 4, Practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have. Gratitude is like a magnet for miracles. When you appreciate what you already have, no matter how small, you're sending a powerful message to the universe that you're open to receiving even more abundance. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. It could be anything from a warm cup of coffee to a supportive friend. The more you focus on the good, the more good you'll attract into your life, including financial abundance. Section 7. Step 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Find your tribe of success. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, right? Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in your dreams and uplift your spirit. Distance yourself from negative energy and naysayers. Remember, your vibe attracts your tribe. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community will help you stay motivated, inspired, and on track to achieving your financial goals. Section 8. Conclusion. Start attracting abundance today. You've got this. Attracting money is not about luck or circumstance. It's about aligning your energy with abundance. Remember to cultivate a positive money mindset. Visualize your success, take inspired action, practice gratitude, and surround yourself with positivity. You are a powerful manifester. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch as money begins to chase you down. You've got this, gorgeous! Now go out there and create the abundant life of your dreams.